What's up, Finkel fam? It's your boy, Anthony, back with another food review. Today we are trying Weeded Pizzeria from Ditmas Park. This is their New Haven-inspired pizza, which is thin crust, charred, well done, half pepperoni with extra sauce. Let's take a look. It's a little bit more well done than I like. I had them put extra sauce because I knew that they would cook it well done, but look, nice and crisp, nice char. Take a bite. Very good. Very good. Let's take a bite of the regular. As they say, very little flop, no flop. Great. Okay. Crispy thin crust, nice spicy pepperoni, tangy tomato sauce. Personally, as I've gotten further into my enjoyment of pizza, I've gone from enjoying a lot of pizza with a lot of cheese to pizza with a lot of sauce. So the sauce is very important. Honestly, delicious, delicious pie. Nice and hot and fresh. Was a little expensive. This pie was $35, so I have to ding it for that. I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10. And that's my food review for Weeded Pizzeria.